So as you can see, we've been walking quite a ways in the woods here at Blakeley, and here is a rediscovery of sorts. This is part of the Confederate Redoubt number 3. Here with Ranger Brian Derochet, and he's going to tell us what we're looking at here.
As I was telling you a minute ago, this is the detached lunette off of the side of Redoubt 3. Redoubt 3 is elongated in its construction compared to 4, for example, where you have a 2-gun lunette. You can see it behind me.
Yes.
The embrasure right there, and then there's another one on the other side of this mound right here. And then the trench runs down off the side and goes down to what we know as the beaver pond now, which wasn't there during the war. It was a creek. But you would have had the 3rd and 5th Missouri Infantry in that trench from the side of the redoubt here down to the swamp, and then potentially inside Redoubt 3.
What artillery unit would have been here?
That I don't know.
Okay, so this is this was, as far as infantry is concerned, this is part of Cockrell's division.
Yeah, his old brigade. Yeah.
His brigade. So this would have been more than likely going further north. This would have been the 1st and 4th Missouri, is that correct?
Yeah, inside 4 or inside 3.
Okay, but this is a lunette that's kind of a detached lunette off of Redoubt, not far from Redoubt number 3, which we are trekking our way through the wilderness here at historic Blakeley Park. But this is this lunette would have commanded, what's this down here?
Well, now it's the beaver pond, but back then it was just a creek.
Right. So we're at pretty high elevation at this point.
Yeah.
So this lunette here would have commanded the position. Now again, in 1865, April of 1865, all these trees wouldn't have been here. This was clear cut, and they would be able to see the Federal lines off in the distance, maybe about, how, 300 yards maybe?
Oh, probably 600. 600
yards from this position. But again, this is a lunette coming off of Redoubt number 3 at historic Blakeley State Park.